The truth about the crypto crash revealed. Cryptocurrency is volatile, with a history of boom and bust cycles that have many investors questioning if it's safe to invest. The most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has fallen below $20,000 for the first time since November 2020. Its value has dropped by more than 70% in the last 7 months. What is driving the digital currency, which appears to be on a declining trend? Curious to know more? Well, stay connected for that. Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Having said that, let's get into the video. Bitcoin is extremely volatile, with significant daily rises and falls. However, it is not the only cryptocurrency to have seen recent turmoil. Global stocks have declined as a result of Ukraine's conflict. Concerns about inflation and higher interest rates will make borrowing money for businesses more expensive. This has spread to the Bitcoin industry. Celsius Network, a large US Bitcoin lending provider, sparked the June 2022 fall by freezing withdrawals and transfers, citing extreme conditions. The move fueled a drop in the value of cryptocurrencies, which fell below $1 trillion for the first time since January of last year. Following the statement, Bitcoin fell to $23,476. Ether, the second most valuable cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, fell as much as 16% to $1,177, its lowest level since January 2021. China's ongoing crackdown on cryptocurrency also plays a role. There has also been talking that crypto operations in Russia may come to a halt. Furthermore, there have been huge and abrupt sell-offs of prominent cryptocurrencies. This has caused fear and more sell-offs as consumer confidence has been shaken. What causes Bitcoin's volatility? Unlike typical investments, such as corporate stock, whose price swings are affected by business performance, Bitcoin has no underlying asset. This means that its price changes are entirely based on investor speculation about whether it will rise or fall in the future. As a result, the price of Bitcoin might fluctuate dramatically within 24 hours. Has the Bitcoin bubble burst? It appears the Bitcoin's bubble has burst, as investors have lost faith in the crypto sector, forcing prices to plummet. In 2021, the price increased by more than 700% in a year, reaching a record high of $69,000 in November. Fast forward to June 2022, when it fell below $18,000 for the first time. When the price of an asset rises rapidly and reaches a record high, a crash is far more likely, or at least a correction, in which the price falls back to a more normal level. This looks to be the current scenario with Bitcoin. It took the cryptocurrency 11 years to reach $20,000 per coin, but it only took 3 weeks for the price to double from there. 2013 was a watershed moment for cryptocurrency investors. Bitcoin's price rose from $13.40 at the start of the year to $1,156.10 in December before dipping to around $760 3 days later. It is also unclear where it will go next. Will Bitcoin recover? There are no promises when it comes to investing. Bitcoin has the potential to rise and fall at the same rate. A variety of issues concerning cryptocurrencies are hurting their prospects. Repression in countries such as China, global calls for increased regulation, concerns about the environment, security flaws, and hacking and their value is entirely speculative. Will Bitcoin rise if the stock market falls? No, not always. Bitcoin supporters consider it a diversifier in well-balanced portfolios, but it performed no better than stocks at the onset of the coronavirus outbreak. This is because investors sold everything in a panic. Bitcoin fell by more than 40% in the first 2 weeks of March 2020. That was when we saw the equity markets take an aggressive rundown because of COVID-19 fears, says Rosie Bullard, partner and portfolio manager at James Hambro & Partners. As a result, it wasn't precisely a store of value in the event of an equity market reverse. If you look back to March of last year when the market crashed, you won't see Bitcoin suddenly rebound. James Hambro & Partners, partner and portfolio manager, Rosie Bullard. However, how crypto assets fare amid stock market declines will be determined by the reason for the financial markets' collapse. Most Bitcoin investors believe it would give protection in the event of an inflationary crisis, such as what occurred in 1974. Here is the end of this video. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments down below.